Hi, I'm Matt Higgins. I'm the CEO of RSE Ventures, a consumer portfolio of some brands you may know and love, like Magnolia Bakery, Momofuku, Milk Bar, other consumer brands. I also teach at Harvard Business School, a course called Moving Beyond Direct to Consumer. I want to talk to you about somebody I'm really passionate about who has been with me at different points throughout my career, helping solve intractable problems, and that's Sabir. Sabir is one of those people that no matter what the problem is, he always has an answer as long as it relates to eComm. So from the very beginning of RSE Ventures, I've turned to Sabir to figure out a growth hacking strategy around a new product launch that isn't working out. How do I master Amazon when our conversion is below expectations? Even when I was at HBS and we wanted to pull back the curtain for our students about all that goes into having an effective Amazon strategy, because so many of direct-to-consumer founders leave it to chance, don't have a well-articulated strategy, we turned to Sabir, and he brought him in and he guest lectured one of the most interesting classes I've ever seen on e-commerce. The bottom line is if you've got something you're looking to accomplish that involves in any way e-com, and you don't have it figured out, and you're searching for somebody who could be in the foxhole with you, Sabir is the person you want to turn to. He has never let me down. He's always been there. He's very reasonable in what he charges. I've always found that whatever it is I pay him, I always get many multiples back in terms of new sales. But more importantly, he's willing to hand off everything he knows to your internal team so that you don't need to keep paying him. He's just one of those people, nicest human being. I couldn't recommend him high enough. So whatever it is your problem, you can turn to Sabir and you can trust him. Thanks.